What's up, gentlemen? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I thought it'd be a great idea to bring in the hair when it comes to the beard. That's right, our hairstyle is actually gonna be reflecting the beard style as well. Now, I'm actually gonna be getting a haircut here in about 15 to 20 minutes. And I thought this is a great way to keep the hair on check, that also supports the beard, because one are in the two. They are a combination of both. And you guys know that I've been keeping everything nice and trimmed up, especially on the jawline. We're gonna clean up now a little bit of the chin, and I wanna sharpen up the mustache. That way when we go into the haircut, we're coming out of it looking nice. I don't really like going with a messy beard unless your barber's gonna be cutting your beard at the same time. I like coming out of the barber all looking good. I don't wanna come back, have to adjust the beard. I want everything to be nice and perfect when I'm done. Now I'm gonna pull out the clippers. We're gonna clean up just a little bit here, the mustache, the chin. Then we're gonna go to my buddy Ryan's. We're gonna clean everything up, and then we'll finalize it and show you guys how the hair matches with the beard. You gotta have both. And make sure you're putting your hair where it needs to lay. This is gonna be really important, so that way when we're trimming, everything's going to be in the right place when we're cutting. For me, it's number 4. We're gonna hit up, get on the side, and there we go. Now, I definitely had to bring out the scissors. I had to make some minute adjustments on the mustache, and that's more power to you guys. The more tools and things that we can use to make things a little bit more sharper, by all means, that's why we have them there. So I think I'm at that point where I got everything cleaned up on the downstairs. Now we're gonna go work on the upstairs. So let's get that done. We'll do a fun time lapse. We'll bring it back, and then we'll close it out. All right, here we go. And just like that, we got ourselves a nice, fresh new look. The hair, the beard, the mustache, everything is cohesive and straight. And for me, this is why I like waiting a month to cut my hair. Letting my beard grow, letting my mustache grow, making micro adjustments between the time, the hair can follow suit. Going get a haircut each month, in my opinion, not only saves a little bit of money, but gives you that time to grow out the hair for a new style. And this is why I cut my beard before I got the haircut, and which I usually do. That way, after the cut, everything is ready to go. I can go out after the cut. I don't really have to focus on my beard because I know what I'm going into. And that's why I grow my hair for the month. I don't like to cut it every other week or every 3 weeks. I like to give myself time for it to grow out. That way I've got something to work with and style. Because in next week's video, I wanna show you guys how I'm going from the wave to the fro. I have my barber kind of cut my hair so I can go in between the looks. And I think this is a great add-on. That way when you're going out, you got work, you're meeting friends, you can kind of switch things up within the style, the hair, the beard. This gives us options. I just like the fact that we can kind of switch things up. This is a good thing. And you guys might think that I'm spending a ridiculous amount of time on the beard, on the hair, but that is not the fact. I'm sticking regularly to a straight razor and clippers. We're just doing the sideburns, the cheeks, and cleaning up the lines. And that's it. Within that and the month of the haircut, we really can keep things nice, sharp, and fresh. And that's the main goal, right? Within the weeks and months, we just want to be on point. It's okay to go a week, 2 weeks, just to kind of keep things rough and tough, but we don't want to let ourselves go. Everybody likes a nice, sharp-dressed man. So that being said, make sure to be on point, keep your style, keep what works for you. Like always, you guys like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See you.